All right, everyone. Here we are back again with a new review of a stereo Bluetooth speaker. That's the T&G 117. That's the number. I don't know what to say. I think it's impressive. It's impressive because it has a very good sound. I just received it today, and yeah, I think it's a good device, for what you pay for it. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. But this is the box. It's not too much to talk about. Inside the box, you get an auxiliary jack stick, just to connect it to your mobile phone, and then USB-C. No, a normal USB Mini, I think it's called, connection. So you don't get the USB-C, but let's put that away. It's a pretty nice box. You figure it out yourself who they are copying. It's not so hard. But what is most amazing is the sound quality. For this money, you get a pretty nice device. Here's the auxiliary. Here's the USB, and yeah, a normal USB thing just to plug it in and play some music from an USB. But who's using them today? I don't think that too many doing that, and that's something to hang it on. But yeah, they are copying those from GBL. If they are allowed to sell them, don't ask me. They are sold under a different name, so probably they are. But let's show you the sound quality. I'll put the volume down. But anyway, before I start to play some music on it, the plus and minus buttons, they are not the volume buttons. The way you use your volume is from your mobile phone, so you don't use it from here, because doing that from here you are changing the song. It's going to the next song, and it has radio, but I couldn't get any radio stations. I don't want to use it for the radio, but it has a radio tuner inside. By pressing this mode button here, it's switching between Bluetooth and radio, but I haven't used the radio. So let's give it a shot. I'll start with a low sound with a very low volume, and then I'll press it upwards to give you an idea. But one thing is nice, is not really distortioning the sound, so just give it a shot. So you get an idea how it sounds. I think it's a pretty good, have it on the garage, or while you're working to some hobbies or something. And it's nice that it has the radio, but I couldn't get any frequencies yet. I didn't bother using so much, but for listening something over the Bluetooth, I think it's perfect, and it's very cheap. So yeah, you get, I think there was free shipping, so why not? But again, remember, buy from AliExpress. It's the best place to buy. If you cannot afford the original, of course, if you can afford the original, go get it. Pay for it. It probably is worth it. I don't know how much the original GBLs they cost, but if you want something and you don't want to care about, throwing it around, having it in one place just to use it outside in your garden or something like this, or inside the house, it's a pretty nice device, and the sound is good too. So I'll recommend this one. I think the most of things I bought from AliExpress, they can be recommended. And another thing, the distance, is pretty okay. I think it is those, there are those 10 meters, you can go away from it, and that's pretty cool for a so inexpensive device. That was all, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. And remember, subscribe, and if you have more questions, feel free to ask. Have a nice one.